Hi, my name is Michael from Boen Sport. We are in Edmonton, Alberta, and today we are going to see a Boflex Champion installation. We are here in a Boflex Champion installation in one approximately 1,000 square meters, 10,000 square feet gymnasium. What the installers have done so far is install a polyethylene sheet of 8 mils, that is 0.2 millimeter thickness, perpendicular, 2 sheets perpendicular to each other, taped with, in this case, the red roofing type tuck tape, a very sticky tape to join the seams. What we also see is the card belonging to the Boen Big Nielsen installation kit. The material has been delivered last week. We're looking at Boflex Champion, and it has acclimatized for at least 5 days. What also has been done in this hall is testing the relative humidity in the air. We are looking at 38%, which is relatively low, but in the tolerance of 30 to 60% relative humidity. And what also has been tested is the temperature. We are here at a very agreeable 20 degrees Celsius. These are the piles and pallets of Boflex Champion from Boen Sport. It's a subfloor construction designed to receive a resilient top layer. One particularity of the Boflex Champion is the way that it's delivered. The Everzote foam is protected against compression during the delivery process. One important detail is the polyethylene sheet as an additional protection against moisture shall go up the wall approximately 10-15 centimeters, that's 6 inches. The starter row, or the starting row of floor covering or subconstruction in the case of Boflex Champion, is installed against this firmly fixed 2x4 row. If you purchase the Boflex Big Nielsen installation box, you will find approximately 45 of these metal angles in the kit. The Big Nielsen installation kit not only includes the glue card, but also the tapping tools, as well as the correctly sized hammers. This is the compressed, how would you call this container?
Pressure vessel.
System with obviously the compressor. What does it do? It pressurizes the buckets of adhesive delivered along with Boflex Champion inside this canister. and then through this tube into this specially designed nozzle, gun pistol and nozzle. That allows to spray glue into both grooves at a time.
The only thing I was doing was checking to make sure there's nothing stuck in the actual line. Because the last thing you want is to put your glue in there, put your cap on, pressurize it, pull the trigger, nothing.
Sequence, you can see a bleacher seating on a Boflex Champion covered with Terraflex from J-Floor, and you can clearly see that the foam, the Eversort 50 foam, would not get compressed more than 50% of its initial thickness, since the foam strips can hide in their slots, and that makes Boflex so versatile and resistant. Blue adhesive goes into the compressor.
It's too late for talking now.
Do you remember the ideal pressure?
No.
We'll have to find out.